You think you're lazy, but if you look closely, that's not the full story. Your mind isn't empty, it's actually carrying too much at once. Notifications, unfinished tasks, random thoughts, pressure from everywhere. Your brain is flooded, and it doesn't know what deserves attention first. So instead of choosing, you shut down, you scroll, you delay, you distract yourself, just to escape the mental noise. You sit down to work, telling yourself this time I'll focus, but within minutes your attention slips away again. And then comes the guilt. You start thinking you're lazy, when in reality your system is just overwhelmed. Because this isn't laziness, it's overload, disguised as procrastination. The solution isn't pushing harder or being stricter with yourself, it's removing the chaos that's blocking you. Start small. Pick just one simple task, something so easy that your brain doesn't resist it. When you complete it, something shifts. You feel a sense of control, a small win that breaks the mental fog. Because clarity creates momentum, and momentum builds discipline. So next time, don't label yourself lazy, simplify, reset, and start again.